Is that LAX?
I think
Yes, it was. It was LAX. I'm Sharon Tay. Stephanie Simmons and Evelyn Taft are here with your morning traffic and weather together. Yeah?
Yes. That's Amber.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, Amber.
It's
you know,
okay.
I was just not.
Evelyn's off today.
Hey, Evelyn's
off
and she's
today,
here normally.
but
I'm
Amber's
just
in
filling
for
in, so
her.
no
And
worries.
we love you, Amber.
I love you guys too, so no
Okay,
worries,
I'm
no
sharing
hard
the love.
feelings. You're looking at our weather cam network. We were showing you LAX earlier. This is Burbank. We're showing you a time lapse of the morning sunrise, and it is just beautiful in this direction. Barely any cloud cover. We're waking up to mostly clear conditions. Temperature wise, as we head into the afternoon, it's going to be nice and sunny. Temperatures topping out in the low 80s for downtown LA, and then this evening topping out into the upper 70s. As we head into the rest of the weekend for other cities, we're actually looking at temperatures mainly in the 80s and 90s inland. So over the weekend, we had triple-digit heat. We're going to say goodbye to the triple-digit heat for now. And then as we head into the rest of the week, we could even feel a little bit more of that humidity sneaking in. Of more details on that with my 7-day forecast coming up just a little bit later. We're going to check in with Stephanie Simmons with Time Saver Traffic. Stephanie, you have been busy all morning.
Yeah, and so is Sky too, Amber. We're tag teaming this morning over this SIG alert in Mid-City. Westbound side of your 10 freeway, tow just arrived on scene, and very quickly, I might mention. Sometimes it does take the tow a while to arrive on scene. They get stuck in traffic, and it takes longer for these kind of wrecks to clear. So hopefully they'll get this out of the way in the next 15 to 20 minutes for you. But the drive is slow. In fact, sold out. That's where we can show you on the maps. All of that red, you're backed up into downtown. So surface streets the way to go. You can use Washington. That's always a favorite when we have problems on the 10 freeway. Close by, we also have a wreck in the works here, or northbound side of your Harbor Freeway at Slauson. Travels are slow back to the 105, but not enough that you would need to take an alternate. I'm confident that will clear quickly. Our problem with the car fire cleared on our West 10, but you can see damage is done as you approach the 710 here, but the lanes are slowly trying to rebound there. We still have an active motorcycle crash.